Hey guys, I just wanted to make a quick video going off on how to install the ticket bot to your server. I will also leave the link in the description, but here is the website if you're looking for this. Let me go back. Okay, great. So after you click like invite to your server, then you select your server, then you select all the permissions, which is fine, and then you invite it to your server, and it comes to your server, and now sends you a message. So you're caught up. Alrighty, so let's see. You can set up your bot by using tsetup, or you can use the dashboard, which has additional options. So I'm gonna say the dashboard is probably easier for everybody out there. So this is the dashboard here. So panel.ticketbot.com, I believe it was. So it's gonna ask if it can use your account. You're gonna say authorize, and then I'm sure for my case I'm gonna have to choose my server. So my test server. So then here's where the fun begins. So at this point now we can start. So basically if you want to create like a different prefix, because I know T and the exclamation point is kind of weird, you can just do like exclamation point, anything like that, exclamation point just alone. Then per user simultaneous ticket limit, I would say leave that. That's fine. If not, if you're having like a lot of issues, you can do like 10, because you don't want to not allow your virtual assistant. So actually, I would set it to the maximum, since you don't want to hinder your virtual assistant from not being able to make tickets. So set it to the max. 10 is the max for free. Allow users to close ticket, yes. Allows or ticket confirmation, sure. Welcome message, please describe your issue and wait a response, which is good. If you want to change it, you can change it. You know, whatever you're looking for, you can enter it there. Archive channel. So I do not want it to go into time card, so I am going to make a different channel in my Discord server. So then that way, right here, that way we can have like a completely different thing. So I'm actually going to make a new category called tickets, and then I'm going to have a channel called archive. So now we have it there, and then here if we come back and refresh, our settings changed, but that's fine. I remember what I did. Yes, and then we want to change that to archive. Enable user feedback. Nah, not for this instance. If it was like you're providing a service, it's different, because then they can leave a rate or whatever. Hide claim button. No, because you're the manager of everything, so you're going to be resolving your own issues. And disable open commands. No, just no. I would say no. Naming scheme, I would leave it ticket 1, ticket 2, whatever. I think that's easier, so then you know numerically which one was created. Just remember, when you do close tickets and reopen them, it'll just, whatever was the last number used. So if it was 10, the next new ticket is going to be 11, no matter if the channel's been deleted or not. So then required permission level, we want to leave it as everyone. Add message sender to ticket, sure. User settings from panel, there's no options here to change anyway, so it's been saved. Auto close, I would say to leave that disabled. You don't want to auto close your tickets, since they're your own issues. And then claim settings, I would leave that fine as well. Support reps can type in claim tickets. I would just leave that. So basically your only settings are going to be changed here in the actual settings. And then once we have our settings set, now we come here to this and setup. So now we can see this is our bot here. So you can use setup or setup auto to get up running quickly. So we're just going to do setup auto. I'm just going to let it do the work. So it's thinking, which it's creating the rest of the stuff. Setup complete. Click here to set up a reaction panel. Okay, and add this roles to your staff members. Okay, so let's just click here, which is going to take us back to the dashboard anyway. And I think we might have to reset our... Oh no, okay, we don't. Reaction panel. Alright, so open a ticket. Yeah, we can do that. And I believe I can just leave that in there. We want to change this to... We want to make a new channel called... I'm going to move this here. Delete this. And I'm going to make a channel called Create a Ticket. And I'm going to move that here. I'm going to move transcripts here too. Alright, so we got Create a Ticket, Transcripts, and Archive. So then, if we go back to our dashboard, now we can do channel. So I'm going to submit these because we're going to need to change it back after we refresh. Time card, we're going to do create a ticket, text channel, yes, button emoji, sure, button style. It's up to you if you want to change any of this. Reaction panels, we want to delete this. And submit. And close, create a channel. Yep, so now here we are, create a ticket. I can say open a ticket. And ticket 1, I'm going to change that in the dashboard so that it goes under the category, or the right category. We want to change that to tickets. It's right here. Create a multi-panel. No, we don't need to do that. Toggle advanced. And let me see. No, not transcripts. Tickets. Nope. So if you do want to look at it online, you can do that. panel.tickets.net/manage, and then your URL should just complete it from there. But at this point, I'm just trying to change it so that the ticket 1 comes into tickets. Let me see. So rather than time card, it would go into the tickets channel. Open a ticket. We want it in create a ticket, text channel, tickets. That's what we need. And submit. Close. Alright. So now we can delete this one. I did a bunch of A's, so let me do open a ticket. Now ticket 2 is there. Then they can just click on here and then say, I'm having issues with da 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 da. And then enter. And then you can claim it, or you can just work with your VA in here. I think this is a lot easier, especially for small issues, so that you can keep the chats separated about different conversations. You know, if you have something, you're talking about something to them about something in normal chat, and then, you know, you make progress on the ticket while they're waiting for you to work on it, then they can understand the conversation right away rather than trying to figure it out between, you know, 10 conversations. So then once you guys, you know, do whatever, you either come to a conclusion, you need to close it, you basically just hit close and then you confirm it. Ticket's been closed, and then it goes to transcripts, and then it'll send the original ticket creator a message, and then you should be all set from there. Then once that's done, you can just come back and click open a ticket, and then ticket 3 opens, and then you can type whatever, so on and so forth, and keep going from there. So I hope this helps. Let me know, and yeah, let me know if you have any questions.